I am Eric Polley at ericpolley.com, and we got 80 seconds to create an entire sky around your world in Blender. So let's hop in to Blender, create a general project. Let's just hop right into shading. And what we want to do here is, instead of object, let's go to world. Here you'll see that crazy background that we're working with. Let's go to rendered view so we can see exactly what we're working with, and hit Shift A and create a texture and sky texture. The sky texture, connect the color node to the color node of the background. We have a basic sky there. Now we can change this if that's not exactly what you're going for. There are multiple options here, or you can hit this button here, go to the second option. I can't quite read that. Hosic and Wiki. And then this is the sky that I like to use. So it gives you like a nice horizon similar to Unreal Engine.